I'm Charles Thompson. I am the product manager at Correvate. I link together the commercial market and customer needs with the technical development that happens within the company and try and make sure that we develop products that our customers want. Vocator software is a new way to automatically register 3D point clouds. The groundbreaking technology behind it emerged from University College London and shows significant advances in the way survey data can be registered. Vocator software saves time in the field through targetless scanning, automatically registering overlapping scans, which allows faster point cloud processing in the office. Tests have shown a reduction in registration time by up to 90%, although not at the expense of quality, with registered data accuracy meeting industry standards. The software is compatible with most common file formats, with more being added as we progress. Please visit our stand for a demo or visit vocator.com.